Fix it fast. If your Instant Pot Duo is leaking steam from the sides of the lid, your unit can't build pressure, and your food won't cook properly. Here's how to seal it and start cooking. Step 1. Check the sealing ring installation. Open the lid and look at the silicone ring on the inside edge. The ring must sit completely flat in the groove with no gaps, twists, or bulges. Remove the ring by pulling it out from any point. Wash it with warm soapy water and dry it completely. Reinstall by stretching the ring over the metal sealing ring rack and pressing it firmly into the groove all the way around. The ring should not pucker or stick out anywhere. Step 2. Check for food debris on the ring. Even small bits of food can break the seal. Remove the sealing ring and inspect it carefully. Check the groove in the lid for trapped food particles. Wipe the groove clean with a damp cloth. Check the rim of the inner pot for stuck food or grease. Clean it with a sponge and dry it thoroughly before cooking. Step 3. Check if the sealing ring is damaged. Look for cracks, tears, or stretched areas. The ring should be firm and elastic, not loose or floppy. If the ring is stretched, cracked, or over 18 months old, replace it. I've linked official Instant Pot Duo sealing rings in the description. Step 4. Check the lid alignment. Close the lid by lining up the arrow on the lid with the unlocked symbol on the rim. Turn the lid clockwise until the arrow lines up with the locked symbol. You should hear a click. If the lid doesn't click or feels loose, open it and close it again with more force. Step 5. Check the inner pot placement. Make sure the stainless steel inner pot sits flat on the heating element with no wobble. Moisture on the bottom of the inner pot can cause poor contact. Remove the inner pot, wipe the bottom completely dry, and wipe the heating element with a dry cloth. Place the inner pot back inside and press down gently to ensure good contact. If steam still leaks from the sides after these checks, contact Instant Pot support using the link in the description. If this helped you seal your Instant Pot Duo and stop the steam leak, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need replacement sealing rings, I've linked the official Instant Pot ones below. Thanks for watching, and now you can cook under pressure.